CES is a celebration of technology. At the end of the day, this is where you see the big giant screens when Sony launches their 200-degree curved screen, and you see the new cars. And we went to the Detroit Auto Show a couple weeks ago to take a look at it, just to see if it was something we wanted to do. And it was very sparsely attended. And a lot of the people there said, well, the automotive companies are now using CES as their launch pad because that's where the technology goes. They don't want to be a part of a car show. We're always going to exhibit at the Miami Boat Show. We're always going to be part of the boat shows. But to bring Brunswick, to bring it to CES, the question wasn't for us, why are we there? It was, why didn't we do this 10 years ago? We had such a successful show in 2020. Obviously 2021 was canceled because of COVID. We did a virtual display last year. And then this year we're going back, this year being 2023, with what I think will be one of the coolest exhibits there. We're gonna be the only company with a 37-foot boat. It's gonna get your eyes and you're gonna go, holy cow. And then you're gonna see our whole electrification strategy. You're gonna see new products. And then we have the concept helm where you're gonna be able to drive a boat in the most unbelievable metaverse type look that you've ever seen. We've never done anything like that before. And it is going to be, I hope, and I believe, it will be one of the most talked about exhibits in Vegas. The iJet lab is one of the coolest things I have ever seen in my time at Brunswick. And I call them kids. These kids are absolutely brilliant. And every time I'm there, they have come up with something that is just above and beyond anything I could have ever imagined.
The most interesting project in my view is the Consumer Electronics Show showcase. So I've got a group of students along with full-time employees that are focused on delivering a view of what boating can look like in the future and trying to do it through a simulated experience. So we're working with students to deliver a very wonderful graphic output that is going to be on a wraparound display that can show off the view that we have for autonomy in the near future.
The next wave of boating technology takes our ACES strategy and elevates it to a level that we know we can get to, but we're not quite there yet. I think when you look at 2 years from now, 3 years from now, we'll have partners that we're currently working with or new partners that we don't even know about today, that together we are working on autonomous solutions that are going to make boating easier. We're going to be even more connected. So I think where I'm really excited about is to see where does ACES continue to grow within marine, but where is the adjacent opportunities also? Because there's RVs, there's trucks, there's buses, there's a lot of things that we create, Fathom being one of the most important, that is not just marine focused. Where does that play a role in the future of our ACES strategy? And then how does it evolve over time? Because it's going to evolve. If there's one thing I know about Brunswick, and if there's one thing I know about our CEO, is that he will not rest until we have continuously pushed the limit on everything that we do. And that's why Brunswick has been so successful over the past few years. And that's why we're going to continue to change the entire industry, but not just ours, because we're going to be able to be talked about in the same conversation with the largest tech companies in the world, because we're doing things and have the ability to do things that nobody else has the ability to do.